Here is the current process for registering purchase invoices. Takes on average 2.5 minutes per invoice, for this supplier. Now here's the automated process. Open the invoice journal into Excel. Open up Adobe Acrobat and combine all the files that are to be registered. Next, the combined file is exported into text format. This text file is saved in the same location as the Python code that's about to be run. Now the newly created text file is opened with a source code editor. The CSV file is currently empty and is what the code is about to write to. The Python code is run and it scans through all the data in the text file and writes the data needed to the CSV file instantaneously. The data is pasted to a macro-enabled spreadsheet which tidies up the formatting. Now the data just needs to be pasted in the journal template and published to D365. Total time registering this batch, 54 invoices, less than 5 minutes. Would have taken over 2 hours manually. The more invoices done at once, the more time is saved.